From the outside, large process plants look incredibly complicated. Thousands of pipes, tall columns, and tanks. But as piping engineers, we don't just see metal, we see flow. Our job is to understand exactly what is flowing inside these pipes, at what pressure, and at what temperature. Today, we are decoding two vital industries, the pulp and paper plant and the fertilizer urea plant. Let's start with pulp and paper. The goal here is simple: turn raw wood or agricultural waste into paper. It starts right here in the wood yard. We take logs, debark them, and chip them down. Piping here handles hydraulic oils for the heavy machinery and surface water for dust suppression. This is the heart of the process, the digester. We mix wood chips with white liquor, a mix of chemicals, and cook them at 170 degrees Celsius. The piping here is critical. We have high pressure steam lines to heat the vessel and blow lines that carry the hot pulp out. Because of the high pressure and heat, we strictly use carbon steel or alloy steel here. After cooking, the pulp is brown and full of chemicals. It needs washing and bleaching to become white. We use chemicals like chlorine dioxide and hydrogen peroxide here. These are highly corrosive. That's why if you look closely at these lines, we use stainless steel 304/316 or even fiber reinforced plastic to prevent corrosion. That massive structure is the recovery boiler. We take the waste black liquor, concentrate it, and burn it to generate steam and recover chemicals. The piping here handles high pressure steam and hot liquor slurry. Stress analysis is crucial here because the thermal expansion is massive. And finally, the paper machine. We spray the pulp onto a wire mesh and dry it using steam heated cylinders. The piping here is everywhere. Steam supply, condensate return, and thousands of small spray nozzles. The result? The paper you use every day. Now let's switch gears to the fertilizer plant, specifically urea. The chemistry here is aggressive. We take ammonia and carbon dioxide and react them at very high pressures to create fertilizer for our crops. This is the synthesis section. The conditions here are extreme. We are talking about pressures up to 180 bar and temperatures near 200 degrees. Inside these pipes flows carbamate solution, a highly corrosive mix. We can't use standard steel. We use special stainless steels like 25CR22Ni with specific internal linings. Once the urea is formed, we have to remove the water in these vaporizers. We use steam as the heating medium. As piping engineers, we have to design these condensate return lines with the proper slope to avoid water hammer. Finally, the molten urea is sprayed into a granulator or prilling tower to form solid pellets. The piping here, it must be fully insulated. Otherwise, the urea will freeze inside the pipe and choke the entire line.